Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how to get your network problem, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So if you're having issues with Anydesk not connecting to network or not simply opening up, or there's having some troubleshooting problem, then what you can do, some basic troubleshooting to minimize that or remove that, is checking your internet connection. Because if your internet connection is switching between any other connection off and on, if it's not good, then that can cause the problem. So go ahead, go to your Wi-Fi, disconnect and reconnect it once again. Then the next thing would be restarting your computer. You can go ahead, go to the restarting section and restart your computer. That will also help you solve that problem. Once you have restarted, you're gonna come back and reopen Anydesk and it should connect to the network. Next thing would be updating Anydesk. If you have not updated, even though update has been launched, then that could also be the problem. That's why you're having the issue. So go ahead, update your Anydesk. And the last thing you can do is updating your time and year, because if your time and date is not correct as well, that could also give you a little problem. So go ahead, check all of this and then your problem should be solved. And I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.